Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to solve the 5x5 Rubik's Cube. So I'm just going to go on straight with the video and scramble it. So start off by making a white line. So we made it. Then make a bar like this. Now I already have it done, so I'm just going to insert it. And then make the next bar. This should all be pretty easy, but you might still have to practice it if you want to get it faster. So then I have my line done here. Then let's just solve this line. It's pretty intuitive how. And here's how you insert it. R, U2, R prime. And now let's make the next one. And then here's how we insert it. Do U2, so then this yellow bar is here and this yellow bar is here. Then do R, U2, R prime. Then we're gonna make these centers, which is pretty easy. Let's take this one. Let's do the line and just solve the center. To solve this, we can do something like this. And then to solve this one over here, we can do something like this. So these cases aren't algorithms, you can learn them pretty intuitively. And now here's what, we can just finish this one. And then we go the same way. And then we just solve one center. And then here is a part that's a bit tricky. Here's what you do. You make the line, then you have to make the second bar, which I've done. And then this is the hard part, which is just doing this. So here's what, we'll try make, since we only have two down here and not here, we'll put this part over here like this. And then here's what, if you have a case where there are two that need to swap, you can hold it like this or like this. If you hold it like this, here's the algorithm you do. R wide, U2, R wide prime, U prime, R, U wide, R wide prime. And then it's solved. But if you solve it over here, then you just do a soon, except all the R moves are double layered like this. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centers solved. The next part is edge pairing, where we solve an edge. Well, every edge. And then it's 3x3 stage. So here's what we'll do. We'll look for an edge. In this case, we'll do this red blue one. And we'll insert the other edge over here. And as you can see, these two will solve if you slice, but we're not gonna do that. And then we will do this next one and put it up here. Now you can see, it's, if we slice like this, it's solved. Then you put an unsolved one and fix this. And then we'll look for this one. Where is it? It is over here. So we can insert it, do a wide move, insert something unsolved, and then just keep doing that until you're done. You can't do all of it. You can't do all of this in one go, so I'll just show you what to do after you do it. And here's what, if you have a case like this, here's what you do. Let's look for that edge, which is it's over here. So here's what, we insert it so then it's parallel. You do this slice so it's solved, then you do this algorithm, which I mentioned in my free slice, and then you undo this, and then just put something unsolved. Alright, I have currently finished all these edges. So here's what we do. If these edges are completed and these are, and the only thing you have left is this layer, here's what, just solve it normally. For example, here we can do this. And here, we can pair these together, except there's nothing solved here. So let's put this slot up here. And then we'll put that and solve those slice layers. And then this is basically just the same thing. So we can put this as the unsolved one and just solve this edge. And then here's what we can do, this again.
And as you can see, one edge is not done.
and this is called parity. So the algorithm for it is extremely long, so this will take a while to memorize. Here's how you do it. Make sure that's on your top front, and then do R wide U2, rotate down. R wide U2, R wide U2, 3 R wide prime U2, L wide U2, R wide prime U2, R wide U2, R wide prime U2, R wide. And then this is basically a 3x3. You can solve it however you want as a 3x3. I recommend you not use a rule for this because of M moves, and M's are a bit hard to do. Here you don't have to be as efficient, and you should probably use more regroups because that's like way faster. And then just solve it like a 3x3. So if you don't know how to solve a 3x3, there are many great tutorials. And if you want a websited version, you can go to youcandotherubikscube.com or solve3x3.com, which I recommend. And then just solve it. It's extremely normal. And that's how to solve the 5x5 Rubik's Cube. So if you have any questions, remember to just leave them down in the comments and I'll get to them. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.